Because you move me, baby, don't you prove me wrong this time, 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 wrong this time. Because you move me, baby, don't you prove me wrong this time, wrong this time, wrong this time. Because you move me, baby, don't you prove me wrong this time, wrong this time. Wrong this time, wrong this time, wrong this time, wrong because you Alrighty, okay, I think the settings, yes. Guys, talk to me. Talk to me nice. Is there a buzz? Don't even lie to me. Talk to me nice here. Nah, Jax. Don't even. Keeks, go on your phone there, bro. There is no way. Wait, I'm gonna mute the music. Heavy static. Yeah, I've been a bad influence on you guys. You guys have been hanging out too long with me. That's the type of stuff I will pull. Clean. Jake's clean, my brother. Yo. Crispy. Kicks, I'm even going to give you some compression on your voice. Give that radio. Oh, share screen, please. Join Prodigy. Prodigy already got the source. Some guys have been complaining I'm giving out too much free information here. It should be behind a paid wall, so we are now going to be streaming like this. It's going to be like radio. So if you want to see the charts, you need to be in Prodigy. They can see the charts. We've already cooked a little bit. Keeks, you happy with that? Pay for play. Bro, why did we fight so long with the buzz, my dude? 1 2 1 2. Yo, now it's. Oh, you're not on, my bro.
That would help a lot, bro. Thank you.
I will switch you on.
I was just like, because now you're in a complete driver's seat. I can't touch anything over there, bro.
I must just maybe get our cameras back on.
Mine's on, and you can actually just adjust them. Because now I'm...
Just now, I'm blown out like...
yeah, see, guys. Told you.
Bro, is the sun illuminating from my forehead? Holy moly. Yo, Keeks. Bro, the sun is... The hot spots on my forehead is ridiculous.
I'm sorry, let's just turn it down a bit.
Yo! Bro, I'm an angel.
I think you just need to adjust that camera, bro.
Dude.
I think that camera was on a setting.
You. Let me just see if there's a filter here on you. Guys, you're not gonna miss anything. I need you guys to just stay calm for me. Just be calm. Bro, but why are you not blown out like me?
I don't know, bro.
Okay. Chad, how's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Let me just see if you guys are missing anything here. You guys aren't missing anything. Actual fact, I'm saving you guys money. I'm protecting you. Alrighty, I just want to see if we're missing anything because I can see the guys are feeling anxious here.
So just relax, guys.
No, you're gonna see charts, my brother. You're gonna see the charts. I'm gonna show you my income tax number.
Breathe out.
I'm gonna log into my banking app. I'm gonna give you the password, the logins, all of that. You're gonna get everything, my bro. Don't stress. Don't stress. I'm gonna put you in my will, all of that. Okay. You're not missing a single thing here. Alrighty. Chad, we are the final 2 rounds of the week. Tomorrow's my birthday. And you know what, Keeks? Actually, for my birthday,
yeah,
I'm going to give away 36 VF accounts.
36.
So we must actually quickly do a little video. Get the guys on stream.
We can do that.
I'm blown out to pieces here. I'm not sure what's going on here. We actually just need to take the plunge, Geeks. 2 things.
Yeah.
The USB mics and the Insta360 webcams. Like, we just need to do that. 36. Are you gonna take a video of me now?
You ready, bro?
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. You'll just tag me in it, eh?
I can do that.
Okay.
3, 2.
Wait. Okay, I'm ready. Alright, guys, I'm going to be giving away 36 VF challenge accounts on stream today. I think it's going to be close to over 3.5 million rand worth of accounts for my birthday celebration tomorrow. So join the stream. We're going to do the giveaway, say, in the next 40 minutes. So join the link. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, I'm going to be giving away Okay. I just need to get the software for the Logi. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, Chad. Hope you guys are ready. Before we start, so just drop a like, guys. If I can ask you guys to be so kind, just drop a like, subscribe, be lekker. All right, be lekker. There's no need to not be lekker. Auto exposure, let's put that off. Oh damn, Keegs, okay. You gotta bring up the light there for us. Wait. Okay, it's getting better. No, that's not good. Shutter, what does the shutter speed do? Okay, I see now. ISO. Quickly sit there in front of the screen, please. Let's see now. That looks better, right?
Yeah, we can work with that.
That looks better. I got some color back. A little bit of a lag though. Slight lag. Okay. Chad, so yeah, 36 accounts will be given away. The lag is absolutely horrific, but that is fine. Why is there a lag, my bro? Okay, that's fine. But before we start here, let's pray and let's get ready, Keegs. You ready?
Perfect, brother. Let's run it.
Alrighty, Chad. Hello? Do you hear that?
Yeah, but that's our earphones.
Oh, okay. Alright, guys, let's bow our heads and pray. Father, I just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for bringing us all back safely. And I just want to pray that you will be with us today, with us during the weekend. And I just want to thank you for this beautiful community. I want to thank you for the opportunities and the blessings and the grace and the mercy that you've bestowed on us every single day, Father. Thank you that we can come humbly before your throne of grace and ask for your mercy, for your forgiveness of our sins. Thank you that we can ask for provision. Thank you that we can ask for peace. Thank you that we can ask for wisdom. Thank you that we can ask for a silencing of the storm in our minds sometimes, Father. I want to thank you for our loved ones, Father. I pray you will send forth a hedge of protection around them. And Father, I just want to thank you for another life here, that you've kept me, you've protected me, and you've always been with me. You say in your word that you knew us before we were even in the womb. And I thank you for that, Father, that you know me personally, that you say in your word that whoever is in your hand will not be snatched from it, and that you will always be with us till the end of time. Thank you that we can stand on that word. Thank you that we can hold you to your word, because you are faithful and just, and you are loving Father, and I pray that people will see your love and your mercy and your grace. And we want to give you honor and praise. And we pray this and we ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And those that believe it can drop an amen right now.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Amen. Okay. For my birthday. Keeks, the stream is also not monetized, so there's no ads.
I feel like you just have a thing of keeping those other no NCS, yeah.
Just seeds being sown all across the board. Big seeds. Okay, how's the audio? Don't play with me here, guys. Please, don't be real with me. This is serious business. This is serious business. Audio is 100%. Okay, beautiful. Guys, markets are opening in 5 minutes. It's very simple. I'm just going to give you the gist of it. The bull bear level for the dollar is right here. Okay, we're going to monitor this area. While we hold above it, we are looking bullish. If we start trading back below, we are looking bearish. Okay, US 30, same thing. There's your bull bear level. We actually had a point of control here. Oh no, it's here. Okay. Bull bear level, very simple. Short while we're below here. Just gonna give you guys the gist. It is my birthday tomorrow. Go easy on me, geeks. I've put in a shift for the boys. There we go. Okay, super simple. Let me give you guys a level. Alright. There you go. Nas, same thing. This is your range trade expectation. Wait for the breakouts either side, trade that. Range is a little bit tiny. If you want to take some trades in the range, you're more than welcome to do so. Me personally, I would wait for a breakout. Take the breakout trade a little bit later when it comes. Okay. There we go. S&P 500, same thing. Bearish while we're below. Bullish if we can get above. Not bullish, but range trade. There we go. Gold, same thing. Bull bear level. If we can break out here, that's going to be relatively bullish. Could be the first time in a while where I trade gold here in London. We're going to monitor this. So that is what I'm looking at for gold. All right. I like this quite a bit. BTC, we're in a big range. So I don't think we're going to get anything. I'll set some alerts. Not going to waste your guys' time. I'm going to set alerts and we're going to wait. The one thing we absolutely love as traders, waiting. Daxi, this trade was actually shared in the Prodigy prep call this morning. But we might get another entry. I want to look for some buys there. We are still effectively bearish. There's your sell level. This is your buy level. Okay. So not going to do anything in between. It's either we sell from there or we buy from here. Okay, I've set the alerts. Okay, we'll see how we open up. Oil at the bull bear level. This is where oil can start to dump or start to pump. Guys, and that's how you do market analysis in 3 minutes. But before that, we almost had 30 minutes worth of chart time with Prodigy. So let's get it, Keeks.
I'm going to be with you guys now.
Just want to see if your screen is even on here. Oh, we don't even have your screen. Let's see if I...
Press 2, bro.
No, it's on the 1.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I put it in 1.
Okay.
This is quite interesting.
For now, bro, I mean, flip, we don't have anything much different, so it's not the end of the world. This is the screen share. I'm telling you it's wrong how we did it.
You're right, it's wrong.
Yeah. Where is the splitter? We plugged it in there, and we plugged it in to my thing, but where's it feed into your PC?
It's coming in here one.
No, I know, but I'm saying.
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 Here one.
No, I know, but I'm. Bro, the audio is tweaking. I think, gosh, because there's fiddling with stuff there, I think it's going to affect the audio.
Okay. Alright, so no Kigo today.
Should have done this off stream, boys. Jake's, the only problem is you can't see stream share unless we on stream.
Yeah.
Audio is fine, all good now on audio. Yeah, I was just there while Chris was.
Horny. Alrighty, chat. Markets are open and in motion for the penultimate round. Ding, 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 ding. Fights. And Keeks, also for my birthday, I'm gonna deposit 36,000 Rand. We're gonna full port it and give that also away.
I was gonna say, this man's just going all in here today.
No, I'm kidding, bro. If XM ask Giannis if they're willing to give us 36,000 Rand to full port and give away. As I ask him.
Just phone him.
Ah, Chris, TNDCs. TNDCs. Give me 36. Give me 36 TNDCs.
50 TNDCs and we got a deal.
Ah, Chris, you know, I would love to give you 36 to just
bro.
TNDCs.
That is the story of our lives.
TNDCs. Yes, bro.
If you're not a trader, you're looking at us now being like, what the hell is TNDCs?
Bro, I wanna do something like Steve will do it. Like take this off $500,000 Rand that I've got on my credit card and be like, boys, we full porting this. Deposit, ripping.
I think, okay, before I'm gonna actually I think be the logical one here for once. I think we don't do that.
No, not now, bro. Obviously
think
not.
you do something where you even take like, because if you think of it, like the damage I can do, bro, like, I mean, you can do damage. Like, let's even just say 50K. You could take 50K, full port that. If it hits, you, let's say, make a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So let's call 200K. Now you got 250K. Then the 250K, we can even, you split it and we go two ways with it. So you've got 125 where we can even put it on red or put it on black. We can.
Okay, so both of us put 25.
Like that, I think is more something you can do than doing and then you almost build it. and then you can do something stupid at the end if you want to. But I think otherwise, it's a bit rough, bro.
Yeah, I don't think we do that while we're not earning our $2 anymore per stream.
Yeah, that's not.
Okay. Now we wait. Does my camera look a little bit not centered? Nah, Higgs, we gotta invest, bro. Those 2 USB mics, and we actually need to get quite a bit of gear. Teleprompter, 2 USB
Bro,
mics.
did you see thingies when I sent it to you? Dan's.
What?
Bro, it won't be on his story. It was on his story, so it will be down now.
Did he say they've got a teleprompter?
No. Well, yes, but he did a tour of their office now that he finished his office.
Oh, Dan Mace, his gear room.
The gear room.
Yeah, bro.
What
Yeah.
the hell was that, bro?
That is a gear room.
And the thing is, like, for example, there were, I'm gonna say 200 cameras in there.
Yeah.
Each camera there's like 80 Gs.
Every time
Bro,
I think
like,
now
what
about
was that?
gear room, I think about the gearbox carry.
Holy crap. We are not starting that again.
No,
We are
no.
not starting
I
that
promise you we're not. But I'm just saying, like, I can never look at a gearbox the
Yo.
same now.
No, when I saw that, I was like, what is that, bro? That's hands down, I'd say he's got between 5 and 8 mil in gear just in that room. Like, that is
Do you think if we
bro.
phone Sale and ask him about the gearbox carry, he would know? I would love to phone him and ask him.
Do you rate it even answer you?
I rate. Oh no, he's chill, bro.
How does the giveaway work?
You
You
gotta
can see that's the
say-
guys that are there just for the giveaway.
Yeah, you gotta. I must reshare it. I will tell you guys. You didn't mention me.
I did mention you.
I legit not seeing it.
Mention you a second time. See, I can't even do it a second time. Check, you already mentioned, bro.
Legit.
Yeah, bro, there.
Oh yeah. Blacklight, I didn't have a camel toe on this one. Okay.
I feel so privileged, bro. I could just show you my stories. The man who's just back. Taking names, yeah.
Yes, bro, I'm so back, my dude. You know what I love? Guys, we're busy building out our affiliate structure for VF, and had a few meetings, and I love when the guys start off with, let's talk retainer. And I'm like, hey, my top G, your posts are like getting 50 likes. Like, I'm even getting more likes than you. Like, calm down with the retainer.
Yeah, they...
Like, take a chill a little bit with the retainer.
But remember, that's the whole thing we spoke about, bro. These guys are all, let me get the retainer because it's locked in because I know I can't provide shit. And then when my time's done, hey, at least I bag some money.
Giselle Bunchen. Here's my thing. I'm telling these guys, if you want R1 million a month, I can give you R1 million a month.
We need Indices though, bro.
Here's the KPIs. Let's lock it in. If you want 10 million a month, I can give you 10 million a month. Okay. Yeah, some of these influencers didn't like the meetings with me. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, something that I told Prodigy this morning is that process. You always hear, oh, follow the process. The issue is a lot of you guys have zero process. And for instance, this trade here is a textbook setup within our frameworks. Okay, there's no ambiguity. There's no like, oh, Jake sees this, Chris sees this. No, everyone sees the same thing. Now, once you get to the stage where you know what you're looking for at a certain level, you know what your entry criteria looks like, trading becomes enjoyable. Okay, the only part that's not enjoyable is waiting for your setup. Okay, the second part that is not enjoyable is waiting for your setup, not getting the entry criteria, and then it still moves in your favor. But you need to be happy with that. And the number one reason why a lot of you guys are failing in your trading and struggling in your trading is because there's no framework on what you're doing. Like the one day you'll be entering off a bullish engulfing candle. The other day you'll be entering off a breakout candle. The next day you're going to enter off a pin bar candle.
What are we entering off of?
No, I'm just talking about framework and structure, like why guys are anxious with their trading. But once you've got that locked in, like trading is just the process. It's like baking a cake. If the ingredients are there, you're going to bake your cake. If you don't have certain ingredients, it's going to flop.
Yeah, I'm not the best at baking cakes, but I can even do it.
I'm good at eating cakes, bro, but baking, not so good. So, again, I don't want to plug Prodigy, but honestly, we've got a very robust strategy in there. And, yeah, guys, I don't know what to tell you.
Keegs, please correct me on this, but I'm sure played out a grubber. On which pair, my brother? Let's see. Okay, USD hasn't either. So you either talking about NAS, which I don't think that's not done much, or gold. You could have looked at. Bro, I was thinking about this now. Hear me out.
Chat to me.
Because it's your birthday tomorrow, VF Thursday, team lunch, start of a new era.
There's lunch on you, though.
Filthiest, bro.
There's lunch on you.
Hit you.
Alrighty. I might trade gold in London for the first time. Keeks, but wait. Is lunch on you though?
It could be on 2Gs.
No, but why 2Gs, bro?
Did you take me out for my birthday?
I don't even know when is your birthday, bro. No, I'm joking. No, Keeks.
Yeah, this.
Keeks, you are gonna know. You
Tell
know
me
what?
who's in the wrong, yeah.
Keeks, no, but listen for real now. Why don't we,
Listen to this man, yeah.
just the boys, me and you, go to Netnoy, XLR, grab a lekker Netnoy special there. And let me stop there. I'm gonna catch on nonsense here. Let's stop it there. 5,700 for the USB. Again, considering we paid 10,000 Rand for 4 pedestals. What was the thinking there?
What was that?
Us paying 10,000 Rand for 4 mic stands.
Right.
And we've never used them. Yeah, so with gold, all I'm waiting for, I've got my alerts set here.
Just to show you guys before you guys think me mad, yeah.
That's what I'm waiting for. Like, but it is a quality standard.
Quality. So ignore the mark. The mark's also money, but just this stand, it's 2,500 Rand. We had to get 4 of them.
But it's a road.
So it is a road
PS2.
mark. You can see.
No, the road pedestal.
I mean the pedestal, yeah. You can see that on the thing it does say road. But I mean they're proper. They're weighted, so you can put this thing anywhere. It's proper, robust. But I mean still, guys, if you think about 10 grand for 4 stands, which are in the cupboard. The joys of doing content, people.
Please bring back the podcast. We are. No, but let's execute ideas, Keeks.
All right, we're gonna execute.
Talk to me.
First one, we're gonna put the man on the spot. A very own Prodigy member, creating success, documenting his story as a trader, and we have him on the podcast to bring it back and tell you guys about how he did it. I think we do it.
I think we do it.
What do you guys think?
But we have to get the studio sorted, bro. We need to figure out how we duplicate this setup so we can keep it set up in the...
Simple answer. USB marks, and this just goes to the other studio.
All right.
Like that is because again, if we talk about duplicating it, how much money are we going to spend duplicating it? Then we'd rather just do. We just chat to the guys, our connections, see what they can get us.
So it's 11 clip for 2.
I'm gonna chat to our guys, see what he can do for us.
Yeah, let's do it, bro. Then we just need to figure out the screen share.
Oh yeah, but the Atom Minis are cheap, bro, and you get quite a few of them secondhand from Ohms and stuff.
Let's check.
So you can get quite a few of those things. I think secondhand you get them for like.
Did you guys
1.5,
enjoy the
2
pods?
grand. Yeah, just get a Prodigy member on. Yeah, I think Rick's gonna cook.
6-3 basically.
In fact, a series of interviewing Prodigy members so Davey doesn't come.
Oh, Deva.
I'm trying to produce a lot of content, but it's a whole ass mission. Yeah, bro. I will say, when you get into it, you actually then start to love it. OG Prodigy members podcasts. Yeah.
Jared, remember, always frameworks, entertain, educate, inform. first 3 seconds hook is
I did.
the
That's how I found out about you guys. Yeah, we're also gonna really bring back the YouTube content. We keep doing it, and then the ball was actually in Cribber's court this time, and then I didn't see he did a YouTube video.
bro, my face is literally on all our YouTube videos. The long form.
No. But remember the difference. That was because you just had to shoot, and everyone else edited it for you. When I had to do it, I have to shoot it, edit it myself.
Oh, but that's why I'm 36.
Ah.
When you're 36, you can also let other people.
We putting the shift in together, yeah, bro. My boy said he's back on the social media grind. I have faith in you, bro. Nah, but we are gonna push with the content, guys. But podcasts will be coming back. Because before you even spoke about it, yeah, with us now, Cribber and myself spoke about it. Some changes we're gonna do to the one studio.
Tomorrow, 36, Nizam. Technically halfway through my life.
Let me know. I'm open to move to come work on set.
Nah, I'm being very honest with you guys. Where AI is now currently, I don't think I will ever employ a graphic designer again.
I remember the pod with Garen, RIP. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'll show him Garen.
We actually spoke about the one day where we saw the pod started to actually pick up a bit.
Like I'm working with a very good company.
Mario.
Technically, no. It's for VF and the content there. Guys out of Ireland.
What do you guys? I want to say from you guys as the consumer, when you look at those VF videos and the one like Chris's, do you guys see the step up in quality? Or don't you really see the difference?
Like Ed's one yesterday.
There's a challenge for anyone if you saw Ed's video yesterday for VF. 100%. We do. I would say try.
Nah, it's not AI.
Fun. Yeah, but you can see it's AI too. It's not. It's really not AI.
It's Jake's. It's literally people editing it.
Yeah, 100%. It's always improving. Looks good. Where is the video there, bro? I can pull it up for them. Or even just post in the.
Let's check.
I thought you meant your post. We're talking about the VF ones. Some of Chris's posts that is there obviously as well. You can see it. Oh yeah, man, it's even on our shorts, is it not? Go to our shorts.
Let me check.
You posted yours there.
No, let's check. Vaultfunder. I need to log into my Instagram. Let's go in there. Demi, bro, that was actually so cool to see. Demi follows me, bro. Tough time never lasts. Only tough people. Q alien call now. Yeah, creative jobs are cooked. Coding jobs are like coders. Coders need to make themselves useful in other spots. Like we still make use of a phenomenal coder. He's in the chat here. So as much as AI can do a lot of things, if you position yourself as a coder to really go in depth, you're still going to be relevant. Okay, let's see. Let's go, yeah.
Trust problem, and most traders have felt it personally. You put years of work into perfecting every single aspect of your trading to reach a level of profitability, only for the firms to reject your payouts, flag your accounts for no reason, or even shut down overnight. My name's Ed, the Chief Operations Officer at Vaultfunder, and I want to give you as much transparency as possible on why we're different. Across thousands of traders who've trusted Vaultfunder, we have never rejected a single payout. And here's my open challenge. If anyone watching this has ever had a legitimate payout denied by Vaultfunder, come forward. Post it publicly.
Sure.
Tag us, because I'm telling you, it hasn't happened. And I'm putting it on camera for the entire internet to hold me accountable. That's the difference between a prop firm that talks and a prop firm that pays. So let's say that's you right now. You go to the client area and submit your payout request. Our team reviews it in under 12 business hours, so that anxiety that you normally feel, wondering if you'll actually get paid, simply isn't there. Once it's approved, it goes directly to your account, no questions asked. It really is that simple. That's not marketing. That's a record. So go to vaultfunder.trade and get paid. The prop firm industry.
That's
quality,
power.
bro.
That's power, bro. That's power.
Who needs Dan Mace? Bro, talk about that. Did you see Will's video yesterday?
Yeah, I saw that. No, but it's I saw it already. It's from like a week ago. He got pumped by
Bro, he got hit into another dimension.
big sexual
bro.
chocolate. Absolutely
Oh, my
wrecked
word.
my dude there. Yeah.
Yeah. He got destroyed.
Where can I find the rule? Matthew, you will get a what's the name? Find a trader agreement with everything on it. So don't stress. Your agreement and contract will have it all. Yo, can we just get a little bump and run here? Yeah, so we JXE, yeah, talking about AI, bro. It's honestly not about taking jobs away. It's just purely efficiency. It's purely efficiency. Bro, I use AI to research my messages that I do on a Wednesday. People are in for a surprise. If you like, this AI bus is moving quick. It is moving super quick. And I challenged everybody in my office. I said, listen, yeah, I'm giving you guys X amount of months. Let me know what AI tools you want to use. I don't want to let you guys go. So you're either going to use AI to become super efficient in what you're doing, or you will just completely be removed by AI. Vaultfunder, Lennon. So I gave the guys the option. I still love working with people, but in the same extent, we can build our business into a multi-million-dollar business and have 10 employees. We can do $1 million a month in revenue and have 5 employees. And the business is still running streamlined. I still feel a support agent needs to be human. I hate chatting to AI, but all right, let's get an iPod ready here for
Oh, bro, I was like, I had to just go ask Ed. Ed's like, yo, he knows that guy David. He's like, nah, he's a monster, bro. Oh.
Indian support agents. Hey, my brother. Like I'm not against that, but you're Indian and you work at the support center for Microsoft. Like it's gonna be tough.
Sure, bro.
It's gonna be tough. If you know, you know. If you know. If you've got an accent, my brother, I can't have you on support. Sorry, man. Bro, it is actually wrong that we stereotype it, but Indian lady phoning you from Microsoft about your account, like you know what's up. You know what's coming. Yo, Moras, I can't tell you, my brother. That's state secrets. You know where the I have a colored. Again, I know, bro. People trust colored people. You don't trust the white guy jumping in front of the church, right there in front, next to the pastor. You don't trust that guy.
What? I was like, where are you?
No, bro. I'm telling you now. White guy jumping in front, looking weird and stuff. You don't trust him. Alrighty, guys, listen up. Where was I now? The AI. Okay. Yo, Karina, just a young shot out there. Now I'm not gonna share our AI, Moras. You can pop me a Because the reason is we've paid thousands of rands testing various AI and all of that. Like we've paid a lot of money. So for us to just give away our sources, Keeks, what do you rate? Because we've got people watching and they don't know what we cook with. No, you can judge people in church, Brian. There's no need for you to sit right in front. You can be a normal dude. Nah, not Claude, my G. We use Claude for more like technical stuff, but not the creative stuff.
We guys training live tomorrow. Unfortunately, not my brother. I might still do something with the Prodigy members, but that'll be it. Cribbo, are you going to post
Nah, I'm
the
not going to
levels?
post the levels. The guys need to be there for the prep call. I'll post it tomorrow again. Making the boys lazy there. All right, London Open and gold is right in the middle of the literally right in the middle. Beautiful.
Bro, gold is, I don't know. At this point, I'm like, what even?
Festa used 2GS gold to get $5 back per lot.
Damn, and yeah, I was watching, not taking notes. Sounds like my school days.
No, Matthew, but I'll let you know if we're in zone, my brother. Okay, we've got 36 giveaways to get through. Okay, guys, it is simple. You need to be subscribed. You need to have liked the stream, and you need to have commented. Not commented, chatted.
Also, guys, sorry, I'm just adding it in there. It's not a thing of firstly us just saying that. It is a criteria you literally tick off on Nightbot. So it's not a thing of us being like, just do the analytics. Yeah, no.
It's
if you
literally
really aren't doing it, doesn't
don't
matter
enter.
if your vote, for example, was even correct or whatever. It won't select you. So just when we say that, please know we are being serious.
Your 36 is old now. It is old, my bro.
Man's in that unk status.
That's why my nutsack is as big as a buffalo's nutsack.
Alrighty.
At 36, your nuts are hanging low, bro. All of that experience.
You know what I will say is always funny.
And I had a vasectomy, Keeks, so big ass nuts, my bro.
The guys who like left our streams, but the minute we do giveaways, they back.
Keeks, I really have a big... Bro, you've seen my sack. And you've said, Chris, that sack is majestic.
I don't know if that's the words I said.
Okay, what did you say exactly? Tell
It
me.
was mediocre, bro.
Bro, you lied. I showed it to you and you said, Chris, many a seed that flowed from that sack.
Guys,
Woo!
day 2 of this man on the sack chat.
Okay. Many a seed Just below. Oh. Oh. Psychology. Hey guys, we just take it easy. Yo, I'm naughty, my bro. See, Brian was down for some chats last night. Yeah, Brian. You need to block those friends, my bro. That sack need to be... No, Zom, 100%, my brother. Bible says, be fruitful and multiply. No, with the vasectomy, I don't cut the sack off, my bro. You. Go in there with the cut sack. Okay, but I need to calm down because my wife is now in my office. No, not 5 kids, my bro. Children are expensive, my dude.
I'm just saying, guys, also sorry, Prodigy members, you got some new content coming soon. I'm busy just wrapping it up for you guys.
Children are expensive, my dude.
How does the process work, Chris? I'm considering it too. Got 2 under 2, and I'm seriously considering getting myself chopped.
No, it's quick, my bro. It's actually a lacquer process. I'm going to take you through the process. The nice thing is you go to your urologist. You guys build some nice chats. He tells you about the process. Straight after that, he asks you to go into a little room. Eye to eye. You look each other in the eye. He asks you to drop your pants. He fondles the sack almost like sourdough, rolls it up a little bit, feels it, looks at the tip. If you're not circumcised, actually pulls the tip back. Okay, he didn't pull the tip back. I would have left if he did that. Does a little scan. Your sack does get absolutely violated, and I was traumatized. I was traumatized because of 2 things. I didn't know that I was going to be half naked. First thing. Second thing is when we walked into the room, I was standing in the middle. He was busy getting his gloves on and he's like, pants down, on a broekie off. So I did that, but I was standing in the middle of the room and he turned around and it's like, no, you have to lay on the bed. And there I'm waddling over like my jean and stuff is on my knees. Does like a little scan, absolutely fills up that nutsack. You get your date. Quick operation, went in. They said you don't even have to trim down there, bro. I did some landscaping and everything.
Sorry, Corinna, if I'm correct, I think it's only reversible if you have it tied. If it's cut or...
Yeah, if it's cut, you can't reverse it. Went there, was hoping that it's old nurses because you lay naked there. And yeah, true as I wished. It was 3 of the youngest nurses I've seen in my life. And I said, guys, first, like, just get me under. Don't expose me now. Like, some of you are like 25, 26. Like, please. And they said, no, we respect that. We'll put you out first. And I said, shot, appreciate it. Get cut, wake up, feel completely fine. It feels a little like there's only like 2 little stitches. You feel completely solid. I walked out there, nothing wrong. And then the only thing is 5 days after, it's like your body is trying to expose of your sack. The swelling on your sack is absolutely ridiculous. There's not even wrinkles on your sack. That's how swollen it is. I was sitting legit now after 5 days. I was sitting at home with ice packs on my sack. My wife thought I was joking, and then I showed it to her, and she's like, "Oh damn." this thing is pretty blown up. And I said, no, legit. Keegs will also tell you after that week, you walk like a penguin, because that slightest rub, just your leg rubbing on the sack, is very tender. How long was that, Keegs? Like a week? A week, 2 weeks?
I'd say 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Like that,
then, yeah, very tender sack. Then after that, it's fine. And then, weirdly enough, after 3 months, you get that, not the swelling again, but it starts becoming a little tender again. You constantly have this feeling of you've been, you know, that after effect, Keeks, when you get a nut shot, that like, that weird, like, it feels like that. But other than that,
yeah, Edge, it's been 2 days of this, my brother.
No, I'm just giving you, bro. This is my experience. If I had a stream like this where people could have told me, Chris, you are going to be absolutely violated by your urologist. Be prepared, okay? No foreplay, no dinner.
I hear you, my brother. I hear you. Trust me. I just think, like you said, there can be a stream for that.
This is the stream for it.
I don't know if the stream where guys come for trading advice is the stream for that.
No. We have to talk about this, guys. This is the real talk. No, Zom. So the doctor tells you to at least shoot 15 rounds. After that, the primers are out. 15 rounds, they guarantee you. Primers are out. Then you're shooting hollow points with no gunpowder. It barely gets out there. Huh?
He's like, the O's are invested in this convo. This is safe space, Keegs. Let the man talk.
So vasectomy. Weirdly enough, what I know now, I don't think I would have gone for it, Keegs. The process was beautiful, everything, but that week afterwards, like, I wasn't prepared for that.
How long before you can get back on the job, Chris?
They say 2 weeks.
They say
2 weeks. But that first shot you fire after getting back on the saddle is a little tender. I'm not gonna lie. Nizam, those 15 rounds, I still need to work through 13. So bro, all I want to ask is why. Yeah, bro, I'm married. That 15 shots might take me 5 years to get through. Alrighty, let's start these giveaways. Oh yeah, and while I was there, Keeks, I told the doctor, like, bro, you've already violated me. You might as well do the prostate. He's like, no, you're still too young for that. We'll do that at a later stage. I'm like, oh, hey. I thought might as well just get the full checkup now. No, I'm kidding, guys. You guys know I'm a machine gunner. Okay.
Oil check.
Yo, bro. Wait, I want to ask Kate to help me with this, bro. I'll ask her to go on stream. Alrighty, Chad. Wait. I'm gonna ask her to.
Live comedy trading. Any trades for London? Prodigy members have taken trades. We haven't taken anything on stream yet. Thing is, when you've already taken your trades early this morning, yeah, you're not going to force other ones. So the winning trades have already been going out. Chris is shy to talk about his bag. We guys, yeah, it's safe. No trades. Let's win. Cribber missed the drop thanks to his sack talk. Yeah, no, Conrad, he was invested in that a bit more than making money at that point.
What's that?
Your one trade played out perfectly.
What trade?
I don't know, I think Dax it was. I saw them mention it earlier, but that's where you were deep in your convo. Power will be missed 100%. Keys, be worried about that question. I had my trade. I'm done till something looks attractive enough. Prodigy is a game changer. There we go. Beautiful stuff, my brother. Another down moment on the stream.
What trade worked out perfectly? Oh yeah, this trade worked out perfectly. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my alerts, guys. Okay, let's start with the first. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna choose the winners. First winner is Ruwaid Solomons.
Are you here?
Next winner, Ruwaid, once I've done, I'm gonna do 18 this way. Okay, Ruwaid is our first winner. Leon Paper. Leon, are you here, my brother? Leon Paper. Oh, Leon. Our third winner is Scholl Engelbrach 3197. Next up, Keeks, we've got Kevin Gibson 9576.
Kevin Gibson.
Next up, we've got BMP W1422.
The accounts are going.
Next up, we've got Damien 365. Damien, please report for duty.
Just say, guys, on gold, just note we are bouncing on that 4600.
Oh, Rooksy.
Alright, just note we are bouncing on that 4600 psychological level, guys. Take note of that.
Most well-deserved Ruxana Manana. Absolute legend, guys. Just give some love there to Rooks. Rooks, we love you, my brother.
Oh,
Executive Partners 8396. Are you here? Executive Partners, we need you to report to the front desk. Executive Partners. This is, ladies and gents, this is our final call for Executive Partners 8396. Please proceed to boarding gate number 4 to get your free account. Final boarding call for Executive Partners 8396. Alright, you are here. I see you. I see you. Next up, Mornay Alexander 5086. I don't think I've written this much in a while, bro. When last did you actually grab a pen and...
Last week, there was something I had to write down last week. That was about
Bro,
it.
have you seen how our writing has deteriorated over time because we don't write anymore, bro? Look at that, it's a little crab. Okay, Monet is here. Usi underscore D. I think he wanted to make it Duesi, but he made it Usi. Yeah, Usi, my champ. I don't think Usi is here, my G.
Bro, the comments are just flowing the whole time. I can't even read there.
Usi, are you here, my big G? I need to see you, otherwise if you're not here, you can't get the account, my G. I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds more. Wussy underscore D. Hey, okay, Wussy's yeah. Champ. Fweddy. Hey, there we go. Chad, if you want an account, at least buy an account of the same size. All right. Don't be that stingy guy just waiting for free stuff. Okay. I'm actually going to rebuke you guys if we issue these accounts and you don't even have a profile. Okay. Okay. Support local. Local's lacquer. Yo, Jose Kekana. 76746767. Jose Kekana. Oh, he's here, my brother. Beautiful. Awesome stuff. Leon Paper, you can't win twice. Sorry, my brother. It's here at the cross. Cameron van Wyk. Dash V6U. Cammy. Oh, Chad. If you didn't win yet today, you seriously need to get into your prayer closet, start doing quiet time, and go to church on Sundays. We're literally giving away 33% chance of you winning it today. Michael Diabru. Miguel. There we go. I don't know why I said Michael Diabru. Michael, first tell me where you're from, my brother. What name is that? Miguel Diabru. Miguel. You think this guy pulls chicks, Geeks?
You could, bro.
Bro, with a name and a surname like that. Joburg. Okay, what nationality are you, my brother? Italian, French. Did I say it correctly? Miguel Diabru. Just an incredible surname there. I've got a feeling you've got curly hair. Chat to me. We first need to establish Portuguese. Okay, so there is the potential of straight hair, slightly tanned. Grandparents might live in Madeira. Let's just check out Miguel. So Miguel would know the saying "puta de merda." Caralho, pá. That's the only swear words I ever heard my Portuguese uncle say. Purda de merda. Then I know this guy was angry. Okay, Miguel. Sorry for those Portuguese swear words. That's the only ones I know. But you're also, you know the good. All right, 50 cal. My man, 50.
Another OG.
Big 5-0. 50 cal. I know he's, I don't even. Notion bajo tipersat. Notion bajo. Oh, beautiful. Next up, we've got random rankers. You say that quickly, Keegs, it might sound wrong. Say it quickly 5 times. Random rankers.
Random rankers, random rankers, random rankers, random rankers, random rankers.
You did well. I appreciate that.
I know where you're going with it.
No. I'm not saying anything, bro. I'm just saying. Okay. No, you'll chill, my brother. I'm gonna let you know now. Joseph Peterson 1584. Okay, let me fill out this page. Dan Carter dash X1H. Oh, sorry, Don.
So that would be mad, bro. Imagine it was Dan Carter.
Are you here, Don? Donny G. Donatello. Donawatu. Yay! Okay, he's here. Crispin Kaiser. Crispin Kaiser, please report to the front desk. Crispin Kaiser, beautiful. Byron Adrianse 4714. Byron, as jy nie Afrikaans is, my vriend, kan jy die account kry nie. Praat gaan met my mooi hierso. Oh, we lost Byron. Byron Adrianse 4714. Oh, Byron's got 20 seconds left. Yo, Byron. Byron, praat gou 'n bietjie Afrikaans vir my, champ. Laat ons gou sien daar. Byron. Sorry guys, I need to establish that Byron is Afrikaans, otherwise he can't get the account. Because if you're English and your surname is Adrianse, then yeah bro, you gotta go back in your bloodline. Somebody was messing around. And I'm not judging, I'm just saying. Somebody wasn't faithful there. No, Byron, you can't be English and Afrikaans. If you tell me 60-40, you can't be 50-50, bro. You gotta choose a side here. Let me, before I continue here. You gotta give me something here. And don't lie, God is watching you. So don't, Byron, just be honest with me. Okay, 60-40 what? You gotta give me, I don't know, 60-40. Like we gotta establish, like where are we leaning towards? 60 English, 40 Afrikaans. Okay, Byron, you know what? I appreciate your honesty. And for that reason, you will still get your account, even though you're not Afrikaans. But do me a favor. Go chat to your parents and your grandparents. Something happened there. Okay. Wait. Is your dad Afrikaans, Byron? Something is cooking here. We quickly need to establish this. Is your dad Afrikaans? Sorry, Keeks, I just want to get to the bottom of this.
Bro, you on a mission today, so you go.
I just want to see what is happening here.
Gold just like properly exploded off the 4600.
All right, Byron. Sorry for that interrogation, my brother. All love from our side. Well done on your account. You must be like, geez. Mike, geez. Mike _GG. Mike, here you hear, my brother. Joe, logistically, I didn't really think about this. Oh, Mikey. Beautiful, my brother. Jose Kekana, you can't win again. Zubulu Naidu. Okay, Zubulu, talk to me.
Oh, so yeah, we start again now.
Give me a little bit of a background here. What's cooking here? The name's Zubulu with the Naidu surname. We gotta chat here quickly. Talk to me quickly. We gotta establish what is cooking. I feel like this is where we need to have like that app where people can call in like immediately. Just tap to talk. No, Zubulu. I see the hands. The account is yours. All right, but we need to talk about. No. We need to talk here. Where you from, Zubulu? This might be a bot with the amount of emojis being sent there. I don't know. Keeks, right? This is a bot. Okay, Zubulu, I'm gonna give you 20 seconds to respond, and then we're gonna skip you, unfortunately. Okay, 20 seconds. If you're still spamming emojis, you are 100% a bot. That is a bot, 100%. Yeah, no, 100%. Okay, sorry, Zubulu. That account will be given to someone else. All right. Rashdin Hamat. I've seen this name. Hamid. Rashdin, my brother, how are you? Chat to me, how are you doing? Doing alright?
Now Zabulu's, I'm here.
Rashdin. You're good, my brother. Where you from? You Muslim, my brother? I'm Muslim. Alhamdulillah. All right, beautiful, Rashdin. On to... You see, I know my people, Keeks.
You know your people there, bro.
Nah, bro, I know my people. You think I don't know my people? Random rankers, you can't win again. Lorenzo Coltra. Lorenzo Coltra. Beautiful. Yeah, Lorenzo. I see Lorenzo actually popped a donor there.
Wait.
Oh, I could see it there in the back. Oh, Lorenzo. Beautiful, my brother. Vuyo Mkuni. Okay, this might be a shocker to you guys. Vuyo Mkuni is actually a white dude. Legit. Like, stop stereotyping people. That's all I'm saying. Look at that. Like, see it from Bloemhof. you think I'm playing, bro? Vuyo, tell them. People stereotyping here. Vuyo Mkuni can't be a white guy. Bro, he's a white guy. I'm telling you now. You guys should stop stereotyping. Vuyo, can you just tell them? Nia van Bloemhof, that is who wants us. Yeah, check champ. Vuyo, beautiful, my brother. Sorry, man. I hope I'm not offending people. Yeah. Do you think I'm offending people?
I'm leaving you, bro. I don't know. You woke up in a very good mood here today. You're on like a whole nother mission, yeah.
Nicodemus. Kechecha, let's be honest, bro. Is Nicodemus your surname? Because this is almost like Alexander the Great doing a side quest to South Africa and just planting his seed. Let's chat here. Is Nicodemus your surname? What is surname, bro? I've not seen that. Nicodemus. No, I see you, yeah. I see you. I'm just asking about your surname. Yo, I still have almost 8 to do, yeah. No, I don't have team building. It's just my birthday tomorrow, so yo, maybe this thing is slow, right? Surname is Makwela. Oh, that's your name. Okay, beautiful name, my brother. ZZB _310. I see that lady is here. Okay. I'll still give you the account. Just be quick to respond. ZZP, are you here? Yes, you are. All right, ZZP, give us a little bit of a background. Where you from? What's your name? What is your favorite meal? Eutenergy, fave meal is Brandon 1. Alright, what's your name? ZZB. Oh, Eutenergy representing it today, Keegs. They say nothing good happens in Eutenergy, and they're absolutely right. They did not lie when they said that. Zach. Is it Zach or Zach? Because Zach rhymes with rack. See, I caught Keegs off guard there. Keegs, you were expecting something different there, be honest. Yeah.
Guys, this man today.
Zach or Zach? Zach Afrikaans. Beautiful, my champ. Stuck dash B underscore AFC. Stuck B, chat to me, my brother. What's the story here? What's cooking here? Stuck B. Stuck B, chat to me, my brother. Is it a brother or a sister? I think Stuck B underscore AFC. What's your name there, brother? We still have 6 to give away, Keys. Almost there. Yes, Ways. You are one of my G. It's a brother, bro. My name's Stuart. Ah, Stewie. Beautiful, my bro. Where you from? Big Stew. Why do I have a feeling with that name, Stuck B? You're quite a big guy. Stu, you're a unit, eh? I feel like Stu is that tank in the chat. Or did I get it wrong? It's like Stewie, and then when Stewie comes into the room, it's like, yo, Stewie. He's big guy, small guy, Stu. Let's just establish quickly before we move on. Medium. Okay, I feel like if you call it medium, it's like you think you're not that big, but you are maybe not that big. You would like to be a medium. You borderline medium, not medium, but I can appreciate the honesty, Stu. All love from our side. Okay, Lorenzo, you can't win twice, unfortunately. Miguel, you can't win twice. T Jones dash Y90. T Jones. I think the guys like these little interrogative chats. T Jones, you yeah, my brother. Where you from? Where you from, my G? No, I see you, yeah, my bro. I'm just asking you where you from. I'm from Durban. Are you Indian, my brother? Oh, you're Indian, brother. Yo, bro, that's blunt. Exvert. Okay, on to the next. Damien already. ZZB already won. Neil 2726. Yes, dude, bro. T Jones, take it easy, my bro. Coming out with the expert. Hey, Neil, you hear my brother? All right, beautiful. We've got Emil the Toy has already won, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, has Emil the Toy won? No, Emil the Toy hasn't won. Ah, Emil. I've seen this Emil guy here before, Keith.
Oh, he's been around, bro.
Oh, Mila. Yo, you almost didn't get an account there. So let's check called. Okay. Milis. Titanium. Titan Surge. Moto Mingle. Oh damn, we've got a bot here again. Oh yeah. Okay, no bot. Okay. Clive Papers 4010. Clive, how you doing, my brother? Why do I feel like Clive is like a proper guy, Keegs? He's that solid guy, dress shirt.
One of the gents.
He's one of the gents. He's the guy, clean shaved, like astute. Drinks his brandy, his whiskey on the rocks. Stirred, not shaken. Clive, talk to me, or is that the wrong Clive I'm thinking about? Clive Papers, bro. Slick back here, Keeks.
Yeah.
Clive, chat to me quick here.
That's all I've done.
Whiskey is correct. Okay, hairstyle. What are we looking like? Comb over. It's either comb over or you bald. Head's clean shaven. It's either one of the two. Can't be both. Beard bald. I knew it, bro. Beautiful. Clive, thanks so much, my G. I could just feel it. Okay, because it's my birthday tomorrow, can I get one more? Bro, Christopher Swartz has one. Let me see. Has Christopher Swartz. Oh, you've not won. Okay, you see it. Keeks the lost. Okay, Chad. The lost guy. You're gonna have the opportunity to do 2G's casino. Alright. The last winner. That is gonna be your opportunity. Okay. And our final winner number. You did get one, Christopher. You got it. You got it. Is G-Man 6741. Okay, G-Man. G-Man, do you know how 2G's casino works? G-Man 6741.
He's also an OG.
Yeah, he's a OG. He should know. Jeepers, 36 winners. My fingers even a little bit sore. Oh, G-Man's not here. Oh, Jeezy. I can't believe G-Man's not here, bro. Alrighty, chat. That is 36 accounts. Last time I wrote so much. Okay, that's not gonna work. I'm just catching a cuff now. Alrighty, guys. There is your 36 winners. Still doing it old school here. Alright, guys. Zebulu, we know you here. You're still gonna get the account. You got the account. All love you. Okay, guys. Very, very simple process. Okay. You got to go to Vaultfunder. Make sure you've got a registered account. Okay, follow closely here. Listen properly. Listen properly. Who broke our website? Bro, is the internet short? Oh, there we go. Please make sure you've got a registered account. Okay, step 1. Step 2, you are going to email support@vaultfunder.trade with a screenshot of your YouTube username where you are logged in. Okay, as well as your VF registered email address. Okay, they already have your names and your account will be issued and you will receive your account. Okay, simple as that, ladies and gents. Yo, bro, I'm somewhat tired of giving away all of those accounts now.
That was a lot, bro. I mean, and like a quick little 30-minute catch up in between them all.
I think Rooksy popped a message. Let me just pin it quickly. Fabs, try not going to Ultra and going to church on Sunday. I'm joking, Fabsy. Faba! I'm joking. I'm joking, Fabs. I'm joking, bro.
Keys, you taking them calls this morning? Nah, I didn't, brother. Wanted to see something off the 4600 level, and I just shot. Didn't really give entry criteria.
Okay. Nah, I'm joking. Ultra is church. Alrighty, guys. That is the. Ooh, we might stick around a little bit, yeah. Okay, that was the trade from Prodigy this morning. That's why you wait with a robust strategy like this. Prodigy will tell you trading has become fun again. If your mentor was mentored by ICT, then I am also his mentor, because I mentored ICT Kicks.
Right, at this point, I don't know who won't know that, bro.
Alright, so as long as we've
Covered it a
established
few
that.
times. Prodigy is power, it's just about applying yourself, 100%. We always say you can lead the horse to water, but I can't make you drink.
Sapawa. And make sure you purchase a 5k account as well, guys. Be lekker. Alright. So that's the thing about giving kicks. What do you rate? At least buy an account as well. Huh?
No, definitely, bro.
Kribo gives some accounts for Prodigy. PLC Music, you know what? I'm not gonna do that. Nah, I will. Let me pray about it. I'm not feeling it in my spirit. Did I not give them 26 accounts in December?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Your files with you Prodigy members are liabilities because we developing weapons in there. You guys are absolute weapons. No, you don't have to. You need to register on Vaultfunder. So you just need to send them that email, Notion. That email that you are going to register with. Oh, Daxy might give me a little birthday trade here, Keegs. Or not. Oh, I appreciate it, my brother. I suggest, depending on how deep you are in your trading, I suggest starting right at the top of the education section, Project G method. Go through that. And then after that, I would say go to the strategy vault.
Yeah, when you go through the announcement section, the very first one, we do obviously walk you through the process of how you should go about everything. Bro, yesterday, and this is also the thing, like, people aren't either just reading and looking into stuff. Because the one thing we always preach is you make changes to see the adjustment work for yourself. Someone asked me yesterday, I don't know if it is this brother, but do we teach RCT in Project G? Does he not join? And then now comes to me and goes, bro, there's no RCT taught in Project G. Can I get a refund? And I was like, you clearly haven't gone through the content then. But
You refund him.
no, I told him, I said, please just show me. Because he's like, I can't add screenshots. So I said, please then show me where there isn't. I said, please understand we do make adjustments because we improve on things. So they might have different names. But if you actually read it and you look at it, there is parts of it around it. But then he hasn't replied again after that.
Because he's too lazy to watch all of ICT's videos.
That's the thing, guys. The biggest thing. And funny enough, bro, you know me, and we were talking about it yesterday. And I was watching another thing of Alex Hormozy's podcast yesterday. And he spoke about the thing, the concept where he says the biggest self-motivator in life is you're never tired when you're winning. He said you go find anyone who's sitting on a couch all day, who doesn't have a job, who sits there, he says, give him the strategy and the formula to make money. He's like, that guy won't ever sleep again. That guy who you said was lazy in that, he will go out and he will work and he will make money, he'll make millions, and he'll keep at it because he'll just want to keep making more money. And he will carry on with the grind. But if you had to tell him to go figure out the formula on how to make money and do that, he's too lazy and tired to go figure it out. And that's the problem with all you guys as the traders. You guys can always remember, Chris and myself are hard on the Prodigy members if they're not there. We put a message on there the other day, cucking them out again. Because if you're lazy, don't expect results. The same way we always preach in trading, if you want to make the same money a doctor made, trading is still not an overnight success. He still studied 7 to 11 years to be where he's at and be good at his job and make good money. For you, there's still a bit of effort you have to put in. And if you are not willing to put the effort in at that price, don't ever expect the rewards that come with that price tag. Then you're going to sit in that circle the rest of your life. So as much as we're always there, guys, you have to be hard on the people every now and again.
Kiki dropping power balls there. Balls of power.
When you activate. How the chat went silent. Laziness will never pay.
Sorry for the power balls chat, Kings. I was thinking about the lotto Powerball. Laziness, no, absolutely, Brian. We've said it so many times before. And I think you can ask any trader here that's had some relative success, and they will tell you it's hours and hours of going back, and it's not necessarily always strategy. Going back on what did I do wrong? What did I do here? How can I improve? What did I do here? It's a case of continuous evolvement and development. It's never a thing of, oh, you just sit on your back.
Bro, but even, I mean, we always, it's guys, OGs, yeah, so I always say that. I think the OGs never mind it. But we have Fabs here, for example. Fabs has mentioned a few times Prodigy now. He has really slowed down the amount of his trading and sticking to the rules. And he's even said he's seen his losses minimized completely now. Once you have a plan, you follow the rules, you stick to your whole approach to trading, which creates your edge in the market, you now see the success. When you are doing all the cuck you're catching on, those shit, you won't see it.
Yeah, here's the other thing, guys. When I say we've got a good product there at Prodigy, I'm not just saying it, because Tony Robbins said once, he said if you stop thinking about selling a product and you start thinking about providing value and thinking about that individual of how you can help that guy achieve his dream, he said money will follow you. All right, so if I think of you as just another consumer, the business will never grow. But if I think of you as another individual, a brother, a sister, whoever, and I'm thinking about how much value can I give to you to ensure that you reach your dream, then people will pay any price.
100%.
All right, Lorenzo.
Check you later then, my brother.
Alrighty, guys, I actually need to jump into a meeting in the next 20 minutes with our direct creative team from Asia. Vaultfunder expanding. Top 5 in the world, Keegs.
There we go.
Putting
bro.
it out there to the world. Top 5 in the world. And then also Prodigy. Most influential trading program in the world. Let's come back to the stream in a couple of years' time.
Ah, we're going to, bro.
30th.
This is the dawn of a new area. Freddy, thanks for the challenge, Cribbo.
Alrighty, guys. No trades for me here. Get comfortable with that. We waited for our retest there. Didn't get it. Might get it a little bit later. Might not even get it a little bit later. Analysis was shared. Get comfortable with not getting trades. Okay. Prodigy, you guys know exactly what we're looking for at what levels. So be patient. Don't force. Okay. Like this morning's setup. Clean, precise, boom, boom. All right. Boom, boom, boom. All right. If you play Lotto, I would say play the Powerball. Great balls of power. Okay.
He can't help himself, guys.
Chad, I'm an absolute menace to society, and I do apologize for that. I'm just in a good mood yet today. I do apologize, guys. I'm actually not a bad guy. All right. Chris, are there spots available? I'm not 100% sure. Keegs, can you just quickly check for me there if there's a spot available? Wait, Keegs is just going to quickly check for you. Just hold on. Keegs, just quickly check. Let's just check there. Is there a spot available?
There is 2 available.
Wait, let me also check on my side. Yeah. 2 spots available. All right. So 2 spots available. There you go. And where did one fall? Oh, no. Must thought, yeah, 2 spots available. Alrighty, guys. Thanks so much for joining. YouTube, I'll see you guys on Monday. And then Prodigy, we're going to see you guys this afternoon. I think it's going to be an absolute banger session. If you want to find out what is the process with Powell, giving over power to Kevin and Wash, go check out my latest Instagram story. Clean, clear, and precise. Keeks, thanks so much for joining, my brother.
Always good, Chad.
Chad, peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys Monday. Prodigy, we'll see you guys a little bit later. Peace.
So cheers.
Hey guys, this is Latels. Today is a DJ set in China Walls. Sorry for the weather, it might be moving. Hope you enjoy it. It's going to be a deep house set. Have fun.